YouTube? Hello, welcome. This is going to be a trade breakdown and also a weekly outlook on YM. Now, the reason why I'm doing YM and not NQ is because NQ is all-time highs. The only thing that I could see is us coming down to fill this gap and then looking for potential opportunity. You guys will see that in the forecast, see what happens throughout the week. But my main focus right now for this video is YM. So let's delete all this. I'm going to show you guys why I'm looking at what I'm looking at. As we can see previously, we're trending up. We are heavily bullish on absolutely everything. YM, NQ, GC, everything is through the roof. And we want to stay that way. So in the previous video, we were covering this. This got tapped in. All imbalances got filled. This was the last major imbalance that we were looking at, last major extreme low. So now, the last extreme low that's been printed is sitting right here, and we're currently within it. We're currently reacting off it, and we could potentially just push up right now. This is the gap. This is the gap. Okay, if we go to the hourly, same thing. This is the gap. So we've currently fulfilled the entirety of this hourly gap. This would be the demand. And we've pretty much come into it and tapped into it. All right, we rated all these lows, we came down, now we might just push up. I don't trade or analyze outside of New York, so I'm not going to speak on that, but this is my main outlook on YM. I'm still very, very, very bullish. This would be the 4 hour, so we could potentially come down and fill the entire 4 hour, then continue up, but we're already reacting off that hourly. Now, talking about today, I took a trade today. It was a beautiful trade. I'm going to break that down. Obviously, my buys coming into today was bearish, bearish short term. We're not going to say bearish because it's bearish short term to take out these lows and to tap into this gap right here. So these were my full targets for the day. I want to target those. All right, those, that low and that gap. Very easy, very simple. Now, moving down to the lower time frame, even this time frame, what we can see from yesterday was we rated these highs. We took out these highs. This would be our new protected high. This was our protected high because we took out previous liquidity to the left. We filled the entirety of this gap as well right here from this previous high. So now we want to fill the bottom side gap sitting below, and also to take out all this liquidity sitting right here. So we took out top side liquidity. Now we want to come down and take out the bottom side liquidity. It's very simple. It's very easy. You guys just need to piece together these simple things when you're trading. It will make a huge difference, I promise you. So this is our accumulation range. As you can see, we took out top side, we manipulated, we distributed to the downside. We now left these equal lows sitting right here. So with that being said, this is our new supply zone we're looking at. I didn't get in on the 15, I got in on the 1 minute. I'm going to show you exactly why in a bit. So this is, like I said, the manipulation and the distribution. So all we want to do is we want to get in within this supply right here. So now what we want to do is we want to move this to 9:15. We started opening up. I saw, okay, 15 minute is very aggressive, is very bullish. Some people are going to be taking this. They're going to be taking this because they see that move. 9:30 is going to open up. You're going to be like, oh my gosh, it's a huge move. Let me get in. This is the best break of structure ever. We never broke. This is not a break of this high. This is simply just a sweep. This is not a break. You guys need to understand that. Some of you take these setups and they're like, oh my gosh, why did I lose? I'm buying in here. My stops are here. This looks like a picture perfect setup. I'm going to target right here. Let's do it. And then you take it and you lose. You're like, ah, why did I lose? Supply and demand doesn't work. ICT doesn't work. Price action doesn't work. Hello, it's not any of those. It's you. You're trading the wrong zones. So, with that being said, this was target number 1. Target number 2 is down here. Sorry, target number 2 was down here at this liquidity right here. And then target number 3 was down here, which I'll show you all that after I break this down. I simply went in off the last gap in the supply. This is a very minuscule gap, but this is the 1 minute order block. You guys probably see all these people top ticking on Instagram like, whoa, how do we do this? How do you do this? This is exactly how you do it. They're not going to teach you it. I'm going to teach you it. There you go. That's how you top tick. Now, after seeing what I needed to see, I got in. This was around a 6.5 R. Same thing as always. Sweep of the highs, protected high, break structure. This wasn't the best break, but we have equal lows. This is the bottom side of the range. We come in, we take out liquidity, we come down to target opposite end liquidity. It's literally the same thing over and over and over again. Accumulate. This is entry model, literally. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Do it over and over and over again. It's so simple. That's trade recap. That's trade breakdown. As you can see, top tick. Come down into that gap. And there you go. You start pushing to the upside. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, share it with all your friends. If you need any more help in your trading, click the link in the description below. You can either work one-on-one with me or you can join the team. That being said, hopefully you enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next video.